Checking the condition of your battery isn't difficult and is often overlooked. Supercheap Auto stock a huge range of battery accessories which can help save you money in the long run. An alternator and battery tester will quickly tell you the condition of both and is as simple as touching the leads to the terminals of your battery. Having the vehicle switched off will check the health of the battery, or connecting it with the engine running will check your car's alternator. If a fault is detected, you can replace the battery or alternator before it lets you down. The acid inside your battery is essentially its lifeblood, so keeping it topped up will help extend battery life and performance. Tools like the battery hydrometer can test the charge of each individual cell, which makes identifying problems much easier. If the acid levels are low, use a battery filler spout and top them up with demineralized water. If battery voltage and acid levels are good, but something still isn't quite right, maybe your battery terminals are a little worse for wear. There are a wide range of tools designed to clean both the vehicle battery terminals and your battery posts. Cleaning the acid and corrosion, tightening the bolts, and giving a good spray of battery protector and sealer will ensure a good connection and prevent future corrosion. If corrosion has really set in, replacement battery terminals are available in a range of sizes to suit all applications. A battery terminal remover will do as the name suggests and saves excessive damage to your battery and your fingers. If the new terminals are a little tight, a pair of terminal spreaders will pop them straight over the battery post with ease. It's also worth checking your battery leads at the same time, as these can also become neglected and corroded over time. Just like the terminals, we have a huge range of sizes and lengths to suit most vehicles and batteries. Vibration is a battery's worst nightmare and can quickly cause damage to the cells. If your battery moves around at all, be sure to nip up the clamp nice and tight and replace it if it's missing parts or heavily corroded. Spend a small amount of time and money now and reap the benefits of increased performance and life, not only from your battery, but from your entire electrical system. Check out the entire range of battery maintenance and accessories in store or online.